It's 2026, and let's face it, most new cars are just overpriced, plastic headaches. But if you want a luxury ride that refuses to die, you need to know these 5 specific Lexus models. Mechanics call these cars immortal because they almost never show up at the shop for repairs. If you want to look like $1 million without spending a dime on a mechanic, this list is for you. Let's dive in. If you ask any master mechanic what car they'd want to be stranded in during an apocalypse, 9 out of 10 will say the Lexus LS430. We're starting this list with the godfather of reliability. Produced between 2003 and 2006, the UCF 30 Series 2 is widely considered the peak of automotive engineering. In an era where modern luxury cars are designed to last until the warranty expires, the LS430 was designed to last forever. Lexus spent over $1 billion developing the LS series, and by the time they reached this model, they had perfected the formula. It's not just a car, it's a monument to what happens when engineers are told to build the best machine possible, regardless of the cost. The heart, the 3UZFE V8. So, why do mechanics love it? It all starts under the hood with the legendary 4.3-liter 3UZFE V8 engine. This isn't a high-strung, stressed-out turbo engine. It's a naturally aspirated masterpiece that produces 290 horsepower with almost zero vibration. Mechanics call this the million-mile motor. Why? Because its tolerances are so tight and its design is so simple that as long as you change the oil and replace the timing belt every 100,000 miles, it simply refuses to die. While Mercedes and BMW owners of this era were dealing with catastrophic air suspension failures and complex electronic glitches, LS430 owners were just driving. The 6-speed automatic transmission paired with this V8 is so smooth, you'll find yourself checking the tachometer just to make sure the car is still running. 2026 perspective, quality over plastic. Now, let's talk about the build quality from a 2026 perspective. Today, even high-end cars are filled with cheap, creaky plastics. But step inside a well-maintained LS430 and you'll feel the difference. We're talking about semi-aniline leather, real wood trim, and double-pane acoustic glass that makes the cabin quieter than a library at 80 miles per hour. Everything you touch feels substantial. The buttons don't wiggle, the seats don't squeak, and the soft closed doors still click with that satisfying bank vault thud 20 years later. Mechanics recommend this car because they rarely see them for problems. They only see them for routine maintenance. It's a car built with old-world integrity. The verdict for the buyer. If you find one with a documented service history, buy it. Don't worry about the 150,000 or even 200,000 miles on the clock. For an LS430, that's just the break-in period. In 2026, this is the ultimate life hack. You're getting a car that rides better than a modern S-Class, has the reliability of a hammer, and won't depreciate another cent. Mechanics don't just recommend the LS430, they usually own one themselves. It's the king of no repairs needed, and it's the perfect start to our list. Moving on to our second legend, we have the 4th-generation Lexus GS 350. If the LS we just talked about is the grandfather, then the GS 350 is the athlete of the family. Mechanics absolutely love this car because it offers a rare combination. It's genuinely fun to drive, but it doesn't come with the typical luxury car repair bills. While its German rivals from BMW and Audi were moving toward complex, high-heat, turbocharged engines, Lexus stuck to what they knew best, perfecting the naturally aspirated V6. The heart of this beast is the 3.5-liter 2GRFSE V6 engine. This is arguably one of the greatest V6 engines ever made. It uses a clever D4S system, which means it has both port and direct injection. Why does that matter to you? It means you don't have to worry about the massive carbon buildup issues that plague almost every other direct injection engine on the market. Mechanics recommend the GS because they rarely see it for anything other than oil changes, brake pads, and tires. It's a 306 horsepower machine that you can redline every day and still expect it to reach 250,000 miles without breaking a sweat. When you compare this to a 5 Series BMW or an E-Class Mercedes from the same era, the difference in reliability is staggering. Those European cars are famous for plastic cooling systems that brittle and crack, leaking oil gaskets, and expensive turbocharger failures. The GS350 avoids all of that. It's a rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive platform built with bulletproof mechanical components. Even the 6-speed or 8-speed transmissions used in these models are known for their incredible durability. It's the kind of car that gives you the prestige look without the prestige anxiety. Inside, the GS350 is a masterclass in fit and finish. In 2026, many modern cars feel like they were put together with glue and hope, but the GS feels like it was carved out of a single block of granite. The 12.3-inch display was massive for its time. The Mark Levinson audio system is still one of the best in the business, and the seat comfort is legendary. Even the F-Sport models, which have a tighter suspension, manage to stay silent and rattle-free after a decade of use. Mechanics often tell their clients, if you want a car that makes you feel special every time you get behind the wheel, but you never want to see me except for a quick service, buy a GS350. It's the perfect blend of sportiness and sanity. It's the car for the person who wants to drive 100 miles an hour on the highway in total comfort, knowing that when they get home, there won't be a puddle of oil on the driveway. The GS350 isn't just a reliable car, it's a smart investment in your own peace of mind. Now, if you want the absolute highest level of luxury for every dollar you spend, mechanics will always point you toward the 2010 to 2012 Lexus ES 350. In the car world, we often call this the smart money luxury car. Why? Because while the other cars on this list are masterpieces of engineering, the ES 350 is a masterpiece of common sense. It's built on the legendary Toyota Avalon chassis, which means you're getting a Lexus-tier interior with the heart and soul of the most reliable Toyota ever built. The magic of this car lies in the 3.5-liter 2GR-FE V6 engine. Mechanics love this powertrain because it is remarkably simple and incredibly robust. Unlike its German competitors, this engine doesn't use a complicated timing belt. It uses a heavy-duty timing chain that is designed to last the life of the vehicle. More importantly, for these specific model years, Lexus stuck with traditional port injection. This is a huge win for you in 2026 because you don't have to worry about the massive carbon buildup issues that plague almost every modern direct injection engine. You just put gas in, change the oil, and it keeps running like a Swiss watch. So why specifically the 2010 to 2012 models? Well, the earlier versions of this generation had a few small teething issues, like a rubber oil cooler line that could fail and a dashboard that would sometimes get sticky in the sun. But by 2010, Lexus had fixed all of that. They replaced the rubber line with a solid metal one and improved the interior materials. This makes the 2010 to 2012 facelift models the sweet spot for reliability. When a mechanic looks at this car, they see a vehicle that is extremely easy to work on. Since it shares so many parts with the Toyota Camry and Avalon, parts are cheap, they're everywhere, and any shop in the country can service it for a fraction of what you'd pay at a high-end luxury dealership. On the road, the ES 350 doesn't try to be a race car. It knows exactly what it is: a quiet, soft, and ultra-comfortable living room on wheels. It's front-wheel drive, which means there's no rear differential to service, and it handles beautifully in the snow and rain. The cabin is filled with high-quality wood, soft-touch leather, and enough sound dampening to make the outside world completely disappear. It is the ultimate daily driver for someone who wants to travel in first class without paying first-class maintenance prices. Mechanics often recommend the ES 350 to their friends and family because it's the car they never have to see in the shop for a major repair. It's the kind of car that can easily hit 300,000 miles with nothing but basic maintenance. In a world of overcomplicated hybrids and fragile turbo 4s, the ES 350 stands as a reminder that sometimes, simple is just better. It's not just a car, it's a 10-year insurance policy against automotive headaches. Now we're moving into something a bit more aggressive. If the cars we've talked about so far were a bit too conservative for you, then the third-generation Lexus YS 350 is exactly what you need. Mechanics love this car because it's a wolf in sheep's clothing. It looks like a high-maintenance, futuristic sports sedan, but underneath that sharp spindle grille and those LED headlights, It's built with the same indestructible DNA as a Toyota Land Cruiser. The main reason this car makes the list is the engine choice. You'll notice we aren't talking about the IS 250, and there's a massive reason for that. Mechanics specifically recommend the IS 350 because it uses the 3.5-liter 2GR-FSE V6. Unlike the smaller 2.5-liter engine in the IS 250, which is famous for carbon buildup issues that require expensive cleaning, the 3.5-liter in the IS 350 is virtually bulletproof. It produces 306 horsepower, and because it uses the D4S dual injection system, it stays clean and efficient for hundreds of thousands of miles. It's the perfect example of buying the bigger engine to save money in the long run. When you compare this to a BMW 3 Series or an Audi A4 from 2014 or 2015, the difference in the shop is night and day. On those German cars, mechanics are constantly replacing plastic water pumps, fixing oil leaks from the valve covers, and chasing down mysterious electrical gremlins in the infotainment system. On the IS 350, they're just doing oil changes. The suspension is another area where Lexus over-delivered. It's tight and responsive for spirited driving, but it doesn't use the overly complex adaptive systems that cost $5,000 to replace when they eventually leak. It's a surgical tool that was built to stay sharp forever. From a design perspective, this car is a cheat code in 2026. Even though this model came out over a decade ago, it still looks like it could be sitting in a new car showroom today. The interior is heavily inspired by the LFA supercar, featuring a driver-centric cockpit and that iconic moving digital gauge cluster in the F-Sport models. Everything inside feels incredibly solid. No rattles, no loose trim, just high-quality materials that stand the test of time. Mechanics often recommend the IS 350 to younger drivers, or anyone who wants the look without the luxury tax that comes with repairs. It's a car that proves you don't have to sacrifice style for reliability. You can take this car to a track day on Saturday, drive it to work on Monday, and never once worry about a warning light popping up on your dash. It is the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it sports sedan. If you find an IS 350 F-Sport that has been taken care of, grab the keys and don't look back. It's one of the few cars on the road that will never let you down. For our final entry, we have reached the absolute pinnacle of the Lexus lineup, the LS460. If the LS430 we started with was about perfection through simplicity, the LS460 is about perfection through technology. When this car debuted, it wasn't just competing with Mercedes and BMW, it was trying to embarrass them. Mechanics recommend this specific generation of the LS because it represents the moment Lexus proved they could build a high-tech, V8-powered spaceship that could still outlast almost anything on the road. Under the hood sits the 4.6-liter 1UR-FSE V8 engine. This was a massive leap forward, featuring the world's first 8-speed automatic transmission in a passenger car. It produces 380 horsepower and is so quiet at idle that Lexus famously sat a pyramid of champagne glasses on the hood and revved the engine to redline without spilling a drop. From a mechanic's perspective, this engine is a work of art. It uses a sophisticated timing chain system and the D4S dual injection technology we've praised throughout this video. While a Mercedes S-Class from these years might be facing catastrophic engine timing issues or complex turbo failures, the LS460 just keeps gliding along. Now, full disclosure, because this is the flagship, it is more complex than an ES350. Mechanics will tell you to look out for the front control arms and the brake actuator, which were common weak points in the very early models. However, once those are addressed, the LS460 becomes an absolute tank. It's a car designed for CEOs and heads of state, meant to cover hundreds of thousands of miles in total silence. It's the kind of car where you can be doing 100 miles per hour and feel like you're sitting on your living room sofa. In 2026, buying a used LS460 is the ultimate power move. You're getting features that are still considered premium in new cars today, like power reclining rear seats, an ottoman for the passenger, 19-speaker Mark Levinson surround sound, and even an infrared sensor that monitors your body temperature to adjust the climate control. The build quality is on another planet. The leather is hand-stitched, and the wood trim is polished to a mirror finish. The reason mechanics recommend the LS460 over a modern luxury car is simple: integrity. Every bolt, every wire, and every sensor was tested to a standard that simply doesn't exist in today's disposable car market. It's a 15-year-old car that still feels more solid than most brand-new luxury SUVs. If you want the absolute best that the automotive world has to offer, without the nightmare of a 6-figure price tag or a 5-figure repair bill, the Lexus LS460 is the king of the mountain. It's the final word in reliability, and it's the ultimate way to wrap up our list of the 5 Lexus cars that will never let you down.